In this video, these are the seasonings of my choice that I decided to use to make my curry chicken. I did not measure anything. I always eyeball my seasonings, and with the curry powder, I'm pretty sure I used about a total of a half a cup. In this step right here, I'm just sizzling the chicken. You do not sizzle the chicken until it's completely done. You just want to fry it on both sides. So I just added the chicken in here one by one. I did not feel the need to record me putting the chicken in the pot. I mean, it's kind of, you know, self-explanatory that you just put the chicken in a pot in some oil, maybe about 3 tablespoons of oil. You don't need much of that at all. Now on the side, I have some potatoes, carrots, onions, and bell peppers that I just chopped up, and we're gonna add that part to the mixture after we add water to the chicken to let it saute. Okay, so after about 10 to 12 minutes of sizzling, I'm about to get ready to do the long process of making curry chicken. So this bowl that I had the chicken in, since it still has a little bit of juice left, I'm just going to add a little bit of water to it. Maybe a cup of water, cup and a half. You know, it's better to use the juice water instead of fresh water because it has more flavor. And you just want to put it to about where the chicken is. You do not want to fill the pot up because that would make way too much curry soup, and it would just be pointless. So now I'm just adding my cut up vegetables to the chicken, and you want to let this cook for about 35-40 minutes. I usually use like medium low heat. I just let it saute in there, and you're gonna see the sauce will thicken and everything for you just perfect. After about 35-40 minutes, this is what your curry chicken should look like. The vegetables are tender, the chicken is tender. I made rice and peas to go with mine, and there you have it. This is curry chicken.